What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 5 top favorite exercises for growing your glutes without having to grow your quads. So I know a lot of girls out there are so insecure about how big their quads are. They're afraid of having to grow them. And so they're always wanting a big butt without having to grow their quads. And so these are my favorite exercises for doing that. So I'm gonna keep this video pretty short, pretty simple. That way we can get to the point and give you guys the 5 exercises that I feel are maybe the best, maybe it's not for you, but I think for me, it's helped me grow a lot just from my transformation from having like no butt to having a rounder, more full glute. So here we go. My first exercise would be the hip thrust. The hip thrust is such an amazing exercise. It's a compound movement. It's gonna recruit a lot of your glute, and it's definitely something that you should be incorporating into your glute days. If not, maybe another second glute day if you need to. Second, I have the RDL. So this is gonna be a hip hinge movement. Essentially, what you really wanna do is make sure that you are bracing your core, tucking your glutes in, and making sure that you are contracting the entire way through. This is a great exercise to really target the hamstring, but also the glute as well without having to grow your quads. The third exercise is very similar. It's a single leg RDL. So with this, you're able to focus on one leg at a time. That way you can really activate one glute versus kind of having imbalances if you're doing double leg. The fourth exercise I have is a kickback. So cable kickbacks are really good. They really isolate the glute, and if you are performing it correctly, there's so many different variations to really target your glute. And the fifth and final exercise is the hyperextension. So a lot of times you can really see this machine. I know it looks super weird, but if you activate your glutes properly, if you're performing it correctly, you're really gonna feel the activation and tension in your upper and all throughout your glute. And so my recommendation is really make sure that you are performing these correctly. You wanna really round your back and squeeze through your glutes versus pulling through your back. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Take these into your next leg day and let me know how it is for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.